Today, I'd like to share you one of our 125kW 224kWh commercial energy storage systems. Now the system is undergoing pre-shipment testing. Once everything is verified to be working properly, the system is ready for delivery. This project is equipped with a 125kW solid hybrid inverter. We can also provide other brands like BESS. The inverter features 20 MPPT input for solar panels and 2 high-voltage battery input ports. Let's move to the battery system. The system includes two 112kWh battery clusters, providing a total capacity of 224kWh. Each battery cluster is connected to its own battery ports on the inverter, allowing independent battery management and more stable system operation. Each battery module is rated at 51.2 voltage, 340 ampere-hour. Each battery cluster consists of 7 16kWh battery module and one high-voltage control box. Look at the high-voltage control box. The LCD screen displays key battery information in real time, including voltage, current, state of charge, and temperature, and so on. There's also a QR code beside the screen. Use your phone to scan this. You will know the battery status anytime. That's a quick introduction to these commercial energy storage systems. If you are planning a commercial industry energy storage project, feel free to contact us.